Recording is on.
It is the 29th of April, 2021. This is WIKISPEED Weekly Stand-Up. This is Michael Wolchuk from Saskatoon, Canada. For the week, last week, I posted the recording for last week's meeting. I have no progress on the tank level project or the mobile battery inverter, but on the SunFounder Raspberry Pi kit, I did investigate the ROS robot operating system that I started last week. I read through the articles in Circuit Seller. I actually had to buy Circuit Seller 369 in order to read that one. I managed to miss it in the middle of my subscription issue. I printed off the articles for my later reference. Actually, I put them to PDF. And I started watching a video series on ROS version 1 from 2015. There is a link in the meeting, the stand-up meeting minutes. And I avoided purchasing another Wi-Fi adapter for the car. The one that I purchased several months ago, I was never able to get it to work. I should be buying another one so that I can make it work. Next week, I am wanting to post something each week, and I have failed to do so far this year. I will continue investigating the robot operating system. I should purchase another USB Wi-Fi dongle for the SunFounder car. And it would really be nice to take some video of the tank level project operational, and if I can get up the determination, go through how it was built. And that is it. Oh, I guess blocks, none, except I have no drive and determination to get things done. In retrospective, I give myself a 6, team a 7, and there is no process improvement, or I don't have a process improvement. And that is pretty much it for stand-up today. I'm going to hang around for a little bit longer just in case someone else shows up. It's about 10 after the hour right now.